Hello YouTube, my name is Fast Coding and today we're gonna demonstrate how to download the best IDE in my opinion, and it is Dev C++. So first, what is an IDE or a compiler? It is a program that you can write and you can compile the code inside that program. So to download this compiler, first you need to open any browser that you want. After opening the browser, you just need to search for Dev C++. After that, you will see the first link over here, which is Dev C++ download sourceforge.net. I will leave this link in the description down below, so you can just click it and it will direct you to it. So we will choose the first one. After that, this page will appear. We will hit the green download button and the download will start in 5 seconds. So we will just wait and you will see the file is downloading down here. So after the file has been downloaded successfully, we're gonna hit that program to install it. We're gonna hit yes. We will choose the language, and I prefer that you use English, even if it's not your native language. Hit OK, just agree, and it will download. After installing it, you will see an icon. It will open this page. You're gonna need to choose File, New, Source File. And here is it. So let's create a Hello World program in C++. And after writing this code, you can just compile it and run it by pressing Fn or the function keys and F11 together, and it will run correctly. In next videos, I'm gonna try to explain these things more so it will become easier. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget the like button also. And if you have any comments, just list them down below. Your boy Fast Coding. Peace.